Part 3 of Test Review, Unit 3, Three-Dimensional Shapes. We're going to be looking at, given the volume, find the missing measurement. Okay, if the volume of sphere is 7.235 centimeters cubed, find the radius. Alright, how do you start out? You get the formula. You write down what you know. You plug it in. Notice that I plugged in 7.235 in for the volume. Alright, now what I'm going to do? Well, I always gather up the two fractions and multiply them together. You'll notice I'm dividing by 3, so that means I can either cross multiply or multiply both sides by 3. And I do. Okay, now I have this. I want to get r all by itself. I know what pi is. It's a number. Okay, so what am I going to do? I'm going to divide by 4 pi both sides. I now have r to the third, or the radius cubed, is 1.728. What do? I take the cube root of both sides. What is my radius? My radius is 1.2 centimeters. Okay? Notice we still write down the formula, write down the givens, plug them in, and then solve for the missing measurement or value. Alright, here's a little more difficult. You are working for Quaker, and they want to make some changes to the size of their oatmeal container. Notice the container is a cylinder. The volume of the container is 3,185.57 centimeters cubed. The height of the container is 24 centimeters. They want to make a smaller container, but they want to use the same lid. All right. What is the diameter of the lid? Again, notice that the container is a cylinder. We know the volume, we know the height. All right, let's get started. There's the formula for the volume of the cylinder. Notice it's the base, pi r squared, because the base is a circle, multiplied by the height. What do we know? We know the volume and we know the height. Okay, I'm going to plug that in. Notice where I plugged it in. Alright, the 24 goes in for H, and the 3,185.75 goes in for V. Alright, what am I going to do first? I'm going to divide both sides by 24 pi. That'll get my radius squared all by itself. Now, I know that the radius squared is 42.25. How do I get rid of a square? Yes, I take the square root. And I get that the radius should be approximately 6.5 centimeters. But wait, the question was, what is the diameter of the lid? I did not answer the question. We know that it takes 2 radiuses to make 1 diameter. There we go, it's 13. Okay, let's move on because they want to make a new container. And the new container is supposed to hold 1,000 centimeters cubed. The company wants to use the same lid. What will be the height of the new container? We just found out the diameter should be 13 centimeters. All right, go get the formula. There it is. What do we know? We know the volume and we know the diameter. But wait a minute, we need the radius for the equation, don't we? Yeah. So let's plug it in. Okay, again the volume goes where V is. I now have the radius 6.5. I'm going to square that. Okay, now I have that. What am I going to do? I want to get H all by itself. Let's divide by 42.25 pi. Alright. I switched them around in the denominators, but it'll be the same. Everything cancels out. H will be left on the right side. I need to pick up my calculator and divide 1000 by 42.25 pi. I get H equals, looks about like 7.5 centimeters, huh? Close. Well, hope that helped. Okay, study hard, do good, and the good life will follow. Push yourself, because no one else is going to do it for you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.